Hi, it's Jennifer. I am back with some more ideas for you to play with your kid at home so that we can continue to work on fine motor skills while they are at home and not getting their therapy. This activity I would typically do at the refrigerator, but I thought this would be easier for demonstration purposes. I have refrigerator magnets, different animals, and I have a magnet board here. So we can work on identifying what the animals are, maybe where they live, what sounds they make, what kinds of food they eat, and we can put them on the magnet board or on the refrigerator. If we're working on shoulder girdle strength or reaching, we can make this even higher. So for your refrigerator, it is obviously going to already be there that they can reach super high to get the magnet. I like that these have just a little bit of resistance so that we can work on some strengthening. We're going to get some nice dexterity getting the magnets on and off. Knowing whether the magnet is upside down or right side up is another visual perceptual skill that is important as a pre-reading skill. So we can talk about things where their feet go on the bottom, and again, those spatial concepts of top, bottom, next to, behind. Maybe we could tell them that we want the panda to go on top of the elephant. So they would have to figure out that they would need to push the elephant down and put the panda on top, kind of like a puzzle. So magnets are super easy because most people have them on the refrigerator already. We can work on matching. Maybe we could put all of the zoo animals on one side or sorting all the zoo animals on one side and all of the African animals on the other side if you had an older child. We always want to work as occupational therapists. We're always worried about crossing midline. So if I really had a child that was struggling with that, just placement of the magnets would help me do that. So I could have them pick up the magnet over here on the right and move it over here to the left. Okay, so a lot of what we do is not necessarily the specific toys that we're playing with, but how we're playing with them. So I just want you to be aware of how you can use your everyday activities and still make them therapeutic just by placement of the objects. So I hope that you have different magnets at home that you can work with and find a great way so that you can make this activity therapeutic for your own child. Stay safe, have fun, and wash your hands.